hoses or hydraulic oil pipes. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. Stay for a while. The host is now at our source factory, high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our source factory provides high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. We are a large-scale shitty factory. Our live stream today is a full 2 hours long, during which I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory and provide you with a detailed look around. If you are searching for a reliable source factory that offers high-quality hydraulic hoses with on-time delivery, then do not miss this live. Whether you are in the construction machinery industry, or agricultural machinery accessories, or in mining equipment, hydraulic equipment, or vehicle maintenance and repair, as long as you are looking for long-term and reliable original manufacturers, or those who want to visit the factory for on-the-spot investigation. If you are also interested in visiting the factory, don't miss this live stream. Please stay tuned. Many business owners, when looking for hydraulic hoses, many of you who are in procurement, when searching for high-pressure hoses, fear encountering middlemen or small workshops, as their quality is unstable and their delivery times are unreliable. Today, I will take you along to learn about Sinopulse Hose Co., Sinopulse Hose Co. Ltd. has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure hose industry for 15 years, and our factory was established in 2011. Founded in 2011, up to now, we have been deeply cultivating in the high-pressure hose industry for 15 years. Today, I will show you how our factory, as a 15-year-old established enterprise, has been able to export our brand to more than 60 countries worldwide. Let's see why numerous major customers continuously repurchase in large quantities over the long term. Today, I will take you on an in-depth tour of our factory, providing a detailed understanding of our operations. Today, throughout our live stream, which lasts for 2 hours, I will give you an in-depth understanding of our factory. For those who just joined us, please follow the host and give this video a like. Follow and like. Everyone. Later, the host will take you to gain an in-depth understanding of our factory and see the scale of our factory, as well as the quality of our production. Check out some of our qualifications. Take a look at our qualifications. First, let me briefly report our factory information to everyone. Handan City Sinopulse Rubber Pipe Co. Limited is located in Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. The total area of our factory has reached more than 100 mu. Our factory was established in 2011. The total construction area of our factory. For all of the same quality, our factory benefits from a superior geographical location, enjoys a superior location, adjacent to the main expressway, right next to the main expressway. The Feixiangxi Expressway entrance, which is newly opened in 2025, our factory has a superior geographical location, with fast nationwide logistics and delivery. Super stable delivery time. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are a legitimate high-tech enterprise. And a specialized and innovative SME in Hebei Province. We are not a newly opened small factory. We are not a newly opened small factory or an original equipment manufacturing intermediary. Our factory is an established one that has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. The registered capital of our factory is over 30 million yuan. And the total land area of the plant has reached over 100 mu. Our total construction area of the workshop has reached over 100,000 square meters. And our factory has an independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, and storage workshop, as well as our own independent shipping area. Our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. An integrated industrial and trade manufacturing. While many peers are still looking for outsourcing, and in Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. has already achieved independent R&D and independent production. Independent R&D and independent production. For all the folks still lingering outside the live stream. For all the folks still lingering outside the live stream. If you are looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, today I will take you on a guided tour to give you an in-depth look at our factory, providing you with a comprehensive understanding. Let's take a look at what our factory is capable of. Nowadays, while many of our competitors are still looking for contract manufacturing opportunities, Handan City Sinopulse Rubber Tube Co. Limited has already implemented independent research. Our factory has an independent R&D workshop with its own R&D team. And we already have a complete independent in 2024. The newly put into use Phase 2 factory of our company covers an area of over 20,000 square meters, and after it was put into production, we also invested over 30 million yuan to upgrade all our production equipment, and we have also upgraded our first phase old plant, which went into operation in 2011. Since it started production in 2011, in 2024, all our old equipment has been phased out completely. All high-frequency production equipment has been upgraded and iterated. We directly source them from industry-leading equipment manufacturers. Our overall production capacity has tripled. Our overall production. So, previously, many of our regular customers often feedback regarding order backlogs, especially during peak seasons. In 2024, after the launch of our new Phase 2 factory, and we simultaneously updated and iterated the old equipment from Phase 1, replacing them with high-speed and high-precision production equipment. Up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. This is also all of them. This has greatly alleviated many long-term customers' previous complaints about our scheduling during the peak delivery season. Now, we have completely resolved this delivery issue. The delivery problem has been fully solved. All large, urgent, and customized orders. Our factory can handle them all without any issue. Our factory is located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. We are a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. A source factory. To all of you who are still hovering outside the live stream room, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. As for our factory, we mainly produce high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. High-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Our factory. Our factory is a standard industrial park plant. An industrial park plant. Our workshop, the overall partition structure, the partition. We are a large formal factory with standardized management. We guarantee the stability of the quality of each because we have a complete management system. A complete management system. Only in this way can we ensure that every high-pressure rubber hose, from the arrival of raw materials, to the production process, to the finished product packaging, we are normal. and the standardized management of a regular large factory. We are from the source to ensure the stability of each high-pressure hose. For those of us running industrial parts business, we all should know that the size of the factory determines its production capacity. The size of the factory, the accuracy of the equipment, determines the quality of this product, determines the quality of its product. The credentials of an enterprise determine its reliability. The credentials of an enterprise determine its reliability. We at Sinuo have the heritage of a 15-year-old factory. We never rely on low-price competition. What we rely on is stable quality, stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Only in this way can we retain big customers from all over the country and even the world. So that we can retain big customers from all over the country and even. Let me tell you the truth. There are many cheap high-pressure rubber hoses on the market now, most of which come from small workshops, and their production equipment is usually on a small scale. The production capacity cannot be guaranteed, and the production equipment is generally some simple old equipment, which is out of date, without quality inspection or standards. As for our company, Sinuo, we have been deeply cultivating this industry for 15 years and are a large-scale entity factory with 15 years of precipitation. A large-scale entity factory from its establishment to now. We've always adhered to international standards, fine craftsmanship. All production links are fully controllable. This is also why we can handle large export orders and undertake major domestic projects. The most core confidence, because our factory, the scale of our factory, has now reached a production capacity of 80,000 meters per day. 80,000 meters per day. Our delivery is stable. And what we have always adhered to is international standards and exquisite craftsmanship in terms of production and quality. We never cut corners.
Everyone
who is still in the live stream room,
thank you for staying with us.
We, Hand and Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co. Ltd., have been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry. We are a large and reliable city enterprise, integrating industry and trade. We are a large enterprise that all of our products are both produced and sold by ourselves. We produce and sell all by ourselves for high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality are more reasonably priced. Our factory's prices are more realistic. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, if you are also looking for reliable quality and trustworthy delivery time, and stable after-sales service from a large physical factory, be sure to come to the host's live room and stay for a while. Be sure to stay in the host. Our factory was founded in 2011 and started production in 2011. Our factory started production in 2011. Our FAW workshop, until now, has a history of 15. The FAW old workshop. However, in 2024, all the production equipment inside have been updated and iterated. All the old equipment have been phased out. Meanwhile, we have replaced all the production equipment. We have replaced them with high-precision production equipment directly provided by the industry's top equipment manufacturers. It is the same as the new plant in the second phase that we put into use in 2024. The production equipment inside is from one manufacturer. So all the production equipment in our factory is directly supplied by the top equipment manufacturers in the industry, directly from the equipment manufacturers. As for our brand new second phase plant put into use in 2024,
covering an area of over 20,000 square meters.
our overall workshop environment and production conditions, all of them have been completely upgraded. The most crucial part is that our new plant in the second phase features newly introduced high-precision production equipment. We have updated the entire set of steel wire braiders, coiling machines, extruders, shaping machines, and vulcanizing machines. Vulcanizing equipment, which offer higher precision, more uniform. The hose adaptability is better. Many business owners who do procurement may not be very familiar with this production equipment and may not understand its importance. Let me explain it to you in simple terms. For high-pressure rubber hoses,
if you frequently encounter issues like bulging, delamination, oil leakage, or air leakage during use, including pipe burst or inability to withstand pressure,
90% of the time it's due to the. As for the steel wire arrangement, it's caused by uneven arrangement of steel wires. These problems all lead to worse tire quality. Nowadays, many small workshops still use outdated and simple production equipment. So the quality of products they produce cannot be guaranteed, and the quality cannot be guaranteed. Hendon Sinuo Rubber Roller Co. Limited has upgraded the full set of production equipment, which can precisely control the wall thickness of our hose and accurately control the wall thickness of our hose, including the layer number and wind, and also the vulcanization temperature, including the vulcanization temperature in our vulcanization process, the molding density,
so that the pressure resistance of each of our high-pressure hoses,
as well as the pressure resistance, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance of each of our high-pressure hoses, and anti-aging properties. Whether it is a 2-layer steel wire hose or our 4-layer high-pressure wrapped hose, the new equipment can accurately achieve mass. Our high-precision production equipment can accurately achieve mass production, eliminating it also eliminates dimensional deviations and substandard pressure. This is the bottom line of our factory, precisely because the higher the precision of the production equipment our factory uses,
the more stable our.
This ensures that our quality remains consistent. Our newly upgraded high-precision production equipment can precisely control the wall thickness of high-pressure rubber hoses, ensuring precise control over the wall thickness of our high-pressure rubber hoses. This includes the number of wire layers and the braiding angle of the steel wires, as well as the molding density, curing temperature, and molding density. This makes each high-pressure rubber hose exhibit compression resistance, wear resistance, and oil resistance, significantly enhanced. This is also the core key to ensuring our quality stability, because we deeply know that
the higher the accuracy of the equipment,
the more stable the quality of our high-pressure rubber hose will be. The more stable the quality of the high-pressure rubber hose will be. And we not only have our production equipment, the control of production equipment. We not only have high-precision control of production equipment, but also our quality and refined management. We also have refined management. Our first phase aging workshop precisely mass produces some of our ordinary high-pressure rubber hoses. All conventional and universal rubber hoses are produced in the first phase aging workshop. All special high-pressure rubber hoses, including special-shaped customization and customized special-shaped high-pressure rubber hoses, are put into use in our new plant in the second phase. We have a clear division of labor, and this way, there will be no quality confusion caused by mixed production. This is also part of our refined management. This is also part of only by implementing zoned management can we avoid mixed production. resulting in different quality. Only in this way can we prevent quality confusion caused by mixed production.
Our factory
Operates at full capacity and in an orderly manner all year round. We produce large quantities of ready goods every day. In our factory's storage workshop, there are sufficient for all urgent orders. We can arrange production on the same day. For regular orders, we offer fast shipping. This also proves the scale of our factory. Many of our long-term clients know that our biggest advantage at Sinopulse is that we don't delay large orders. We don't treat small orders perfunctorily. We have now firmly resolved our delivery date issue. Why are we able to customize both large and urgent orders? We can take them all, relying on our oversized factory scale and these upgraded high-end production equipments, as well as sufficient production capacity. Including the sufficient capacity. This is why it is one of our significant advantages and also a major strength of Sinopulse, because we are capable of handling both. We don't overlook large orders, nor do we delay small orders. Large orders are not. Our delivery time is super reliable, extremely reliable. I believe all the bosses in procurement value most the delivery time. Delivery time and quality. Our factory, up to now, has reached a daily output. So, for all the bosses in procurement, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes, be sure to come to the host's live room. All who want to inspect the factory, want to take actual photos, and want to see our production equipment, all who want to come to our factory for a field trip, want to see our production equipment on site, and want to know about the scale of our factory, and check out our quality. You can click on the little windmill in the lower right corner of the host. The host will contact you all later. Our factory. We not only have high-pressure rubber hoses, hydraulic oil pipe production lines, but also have our own joint workshop. And we have our own joint factory. Our Sinopulse is a one-stop hydraulic factory, which can meet all your needs and adapt to all your requirements. For those who want to visit the factory, and for those who want to visit the factory and see the actual equipment, if you want to connect with a reliable long-term factory, you don't need to run around anymore. The host, if you have any questions, feel free to type them in the chat. If you have any questions, you can also click on the little windmill on the host's page. For all your questions. In our host's live room, this is a channel to solve problems. If you have any questions, any problems, you can type them on the public screen. I will answer all your questions one by one. The host is currently located in the Feixyong Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. A source factory. We have our own independent R&D workshop, production workshop, quality inspection workshop, including our factory is a large integrated industrial and trade enterprise with a whole process integration. The high-pressure rubber hose of the same quality. Our factory's price is more reasonable. How has our factory been able to maintain operations for 15 years? And how has our factory been able to delve deeply into the industry of high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years? How have we managed to export our products to more than 60 countries around the world? We rely on our stable quality, on-time delivery, and reliable after-sales service.
If you are also looking for a reliable long-term source factory that offers high-pressure rubber hoses with stable delivery,
our regular brand. And our factory has our own R&D team. And up to now, our factory has our own exclusive brand, our own exclusive formula, and our current products can be adapted to operating conditions of up to 150 degrees Celsius, or in extremely cold weather, operating conditions of minus 50 degrees Celsius. We can handle them steadily. The high-pressure rubber hose of our factory can fully meet your needs. It can meet all your working condition needs. Our factory's high-pressure rubber hose, whether it is under the working condition of 150 degrees above zero, our factory's high-pressure rubber hose will not show the phenomenon of aging and peeling, and at minus 40 degrees Celsius or minus 50 degrees Celsius in extremely cold weather, our high-pressure rubber hose will become softer and will not harden or crack. It will not harden. This is also our own exclusive formula. Our factory has its own mixing workshop, where mixing is done. Our factory doesn't rely on long-term external procurement of mixed rubber from others. This is also how we solve the problem from the source, ensuring our quality from the source, our quality reliability, and dependability. Because in our production process, if each batch of our mixed rubber, before molding, our laboratory staff, our lab technicians, will promptly inspect every truck and conduct all kinds of tests. After passing the inspection, we will put it into use. Once the test results show deviations, since we are using our own mixed rubber in the mixing workshop, which is our own mixing workshop, so we can adjust the parameters in a timely manner and adjust the production parameters promptly. This is also the core key to our ability to stably control quality. The most crucial factor. Welcome, everyone who has just joined the live stream. I am currently at our high-pressure rubber hose production base. High-pressure rubber hose. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses or hydraulic oil pipelines, or you want to find a reliable and stable source factory, please don't miss this live session. Please don't miss this live session. The factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixian District, Handan City. Our factory benefits from a superior geographical location, being close to the main expressway and right next to it. Our factory is located just 1 kilometer away. Our factory offers super fast nationwide logistics and delivery with super reliable delivery times. Super reliable. This is one of our major advantages, and it's also a major advantage of our factory.
Our factory has been able to achieve this since its establishment 15 years ago.
For 15 years? How does our factory ensure that our products receive long-term and large volume repeat orders from major domestic and international customers? Rely on our stable quality. Our reputation is earned through practical actions. It's built on solid ground. Next, let me briefly explain each of our production processes and how we maintain quality control. How do we manage quality control in our factory? The first process is the inspection of raw materials. Our factory is well aware that the raw materials of the products are the core key to our quality control. Therefore, since its establishment, for all raw materials
We directly. Moreover, for each batch of raw materials, we will conduct random inspections. Therefore, for each batch of raw materials, before entering our factory, we will conduct random sample inspections in batches. Only after all the raw, we will officially put them into use. All substandard raw materials will be rejected. All will be rejected. This is also the core key for us to ensure quality stability. Because we deeply know that we will definitely not cut corners. And we will definitely not cut corners. Whether it's our high-quality rubber or steel wire raw materials, including other raw and auxiliary materials, all of which in our factory for each raw material. Before entering the production workshop, we will conduct batch sampling inspections. Every batch will be sampled and inspected. Only when it passes the sampling inspection will all unqualified raw materials will be rejected. All of them will be rejected. This is also the most, because we know that for rubber,
The better the performance of its raw materials.
the better it can ensure our oil resistance, high temperature resistance, anti-aging properties, and high elasticity. And our high-strength steel wire can ensure the tensile force, greater strength, and sufficient tensile force, and whether it will have broken wire or broken steel wire. So,
In terms of raw materials,
we always adhere to the principle that the products are all directly shipped from good international raw material manufacturers, and we use top equipment in the industry. And the raw materials are also directly shipped from the manufacturers. We not only need to select raw material manufacturers. This is our core bottom line, and also the bottom line of our factory. We will never cut corners or reduce materials.
Secondly,
We need our high-precision devices. We need to ensure tight control over these high-precision devices. For example, this high-pressure rubber hose. Here, the inner rubber layer is coated with fluorine, and the production equipment for this inner rubber layer is a high-speed and high-precision. Our high-precision extrusion equipment can precisely control the speed and accurately control the temperature. It can accurately control the temperature during the production process of our high-pressure rubber hose and the speed. It can melt our rubber raw materials evenly and achieve uniform melting because it can precisely control the temperature to fully melt our rubber and extrude it evenly. This way, the inner wall can be smoother and have better sealing performance. Thus, we can fundamentally solve the problem of oil and gas leakage. The problem of oil and gas leakage. This is also what our high-pressure rubber hoses should do, to avoid frequent oil and gas leakage in their future use. Our inner rubber layer is the most crucial part. It's of us because our high-precision production equipment can precisely control the temperature, allowing our rubber to fully melt. Only when its inner wall is smooth can the sealing performance be better. And the sealing performance of this high-pressure rubber hose will be better as well. Only the phenomenon of oil and air leakage. This is also the control requirement of our high-precision extrusion equipment. Besides, we not only have high-precision production equipment, but also on each of our high-precision production equipment, we are additionally equipped with an outer diameter. During the extrusion process of each high-pressure rubber hose, it will pass through an outer diameter detector. Once there is a tolerance in our outer diameter, and after its coefficient deviates, the outer diameter. In this way, our operators can adjust in time and adjust in time.
This is also the quality controlled by our only when the accuracy of the equipment is higher can our quality be more stable, and the quality will be more stable.
We not only have each of our processes, we require that. Our management is high precision management as well. Our refined management requires each of our production personnel every half an hour to conduct a self-inspection. And we have our professional quality inspection team to conduct random inspections on each product. This is also the core key for us to ensure the quality. We not only have manual quality inspection,
but also we have a high precision production equipment to control,
so as to ensure our quality is more stable. This is the way to ensure our quality is more stable. From the production equipment, let me show you how does our factory control the quality?
I just told you that. The first step is our raw materials. The second step is our high precision extrusion equipment. Now let me talk about the third step. How do we control the third step? This is our third step, which is our high precision steel wire braiding machine. We will, according to the customer's requirements, carry out 2 layers, 4 layers, 1 layer, 2 layers, 4 layers, including the weaving and winding of this steel wire, produce according to the customer's requirements. Only our high precision production equipment, our high precision knitting machine. Each high precision knitting is equipped with our high precision computer. The high precision computer,
Our production equipment.
can accurately control the speed, including the uniformity of steel wire arrangement, consistent tension, which can ensure the uniformity of our steel wire, no overlap, and there will be no uneven sparseness. Our high precision production equipment can control the angle of steel wire winding, and the state of sparseness are the core key, the most crucial factor now in the market. There are many inferior high pressure rubber hoses. Their steel wire have uneven density. These inferior rubber hoses on the market, their steel wire density is uneven, and each high pressure rubber hose has uneven pressure resistance, and in a few days, it will burst. Our factory will never have this kind of situation. These situations will never occur in our factory because these inferior high pressure rubber hoses, they all come from these small workshops in the industry. Small workshops whose equipment has low precision. And so they cannot precisely control the winding angle and tension adjustment of the steel wire, including its spark. So our factory will never have these problems. This is also our high pressure rubber hose in the later use. Our high pressure rubber hose in the later use. If problems like frequent pipe bursts or failure to withstand pressure occur, this phenomenon, it is because the production equipment for your high pressure rubber hose lacks sufficient accuracy. You asked me to do it.
How much is it?
Hello.
I haven't added you on.
When I arrive, You can take a break. 100, 1 million, right? 1 million. Just take a break. Anyway, you should have done that earlier. All right. Let's go with that for the abandoned ones here, leaving 400,000 for the remaining two and 200,000 for wastewater. Okay. 400,000 for waste gas. What else? Then you can break it down further. For this 720,000. Just split it however you want. Okay. How much for sulfur? 100,000. How much for the rest? 50,000. Right. All right. That's the stream isn't over yet. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. Hurry up. All right. Okay. Today is Wednesday, right?
You mean the industry pavilion just?
No, they didn't.
Then who called? What?
Do they offer fat?
Real?
There.
They will definitely get back.
Yeah, they will get back to you as well.
You picked them up from Meng's place, and Meng didn't say anything, right? Hurry up. Okay. Welcome to all the family.
Let's continue now.
I'll continue to explain it to you. I'll continue to talk about the quality control of our factory. Let's see how each process is controlled. How our factory, which has been established for 15 years, how it has been able to maintain as an old factory for 15 years, and how it enables major domestic and foreign customers. Just now, I mentioned to you the control of raw materials in the first process. Each batch of our raw materials, all raw materials that fail the sampling inspection, will be rejected. This is the first point. The second point is our high precision extrusion equipment, which can precisely control the temperature of the extrusion equipment and its speed to fully melt our rubber. Make the inner wall smoother so as to fundamentally eliminate oil and air leakage. Oil and air leakage. Because our inner wall is smoother, our sealing performance is better, so there won't be any oil or air leakage. This also relies on our high precision production equipment, the high precision production equipment. Thirdly, it is our high precision braiding winding device. Each high precision steel wire braiding and steel wire winding device is equipped with a high precision computer, which can precisely control the weaving speed and angle adjustment, including tension adjustment, so as to solve the phenomenon of uneven sparseness, including the phenomenon of wire breakage and uneven bearing pressure from the phenomenon of pipe bursting. The bosses who do the purchasing should all know that each high-pressure rubber hose depends on whether it can withstand the pressure of our steel wire enhancement layer. The steel Nowadays, some low-quality high-pressure rubber hoses produced by small workshops on the market are not produced by high-precision production equipment, but some old and outdated equipment, which cannot be accurately controlled, and speed. So the high-pressure rubber hoses produced are uneven in pressure-bearing capacity and during use. It doesn't take long for phenomena like pipe bursting, oil leakage, and air leakage to occur. All the production equipment in our factory comes directly from some top equipment manufacturers in the industry. And on each of our production equipment, we have installed high-precision computers, which can precisely control the steel wire laying angle of the high-pressure hose, as well as the tension adjustment, including whether the steel wires overlap, whether there is unevenness. Our high-speed and high-precision production equipment can precisely control all these. This is also why the quality of our products is more stable. Our products are more pressure resistant. And this is the core reason why our high-pressure rubber hose lasts longer than those produced by small manufacturers. I just mentioned our high-speed braiding and winding machine, and the fourth one is the outer rubber coating. Our outer rubber coating machine
Utilizes production equipment.
that is the same. They are the same. They are all high-precision extrusion equipment and are equipped with a high-precision diameter measuring instrument, which is our outer rubber coating. The outer rubber coating equipment can fully melt the rubber and achieve better adhesion density with the steel wire layer, resulting in tighter adhesion and higher bond strength. After the rubber is fully melted, it is extruded onto the steel wire layer, the steel wire reinforcement layer, enhancing the adhesion. It closely adheres to the steel wire layer. Only in this way can we prevent issues like peeling, delamination, bulging, and cracking. Only in this way can we fundamentally solve the problem of delamination, bulging, and cracking. The overall structure is tighter and more stable, making the overall structure of our high-pressure rubber hose more stable. The overall structure is more stable. This is also the core key to the stability of our high-pressure rubber hose, the most crucial point. Next, we will move on to the fifth step. All the business owners in procurement, those in the industry, should all know that for these rubber hoses, their vulcanization is the most crucial in our factory. We use constant temperature vulcanization equipment, which can precisely control the temperature and time, as well as time, to fully integrate our steel wires and rubber into one, achieving even integration, thereby enhancing the abrasion resistance and corrosion resistance and aging resistance of our high-pressure rubber hose, thus extending its service life and making it last longer. Many high-pressure rubber hoses during use may experience some delamination, cracking, oil or gas leakage, or a pipe burst and failure to maintain pressure. Some of these issues are due to insufficient vulcanization, inadequate vulcanization, meaning the rubber hasn't been fully vulcanized. In some cases, the temperature during vulcanization isn't high enough, or the duration is too short. So production equipment like this can result in products where the rubber and steel wire can't adhere as closely as they should, leading to low adhesion during use. This can lead to delamination. Once this high-pressure hose experiences delamination, its pressure bearing capacity decreases, and its pressure resistance will be greatly reduced. Thus, our factory's production equipment are all high-precision production equipment, and our vulcanization equipment can accurately control the speed and precisely control time and temperature.
This allows our rubber and steel wire to be more closely bonded together.
It greatly improves its wear resistance and corrosion resistance, including aging resistance and tensile strength, greatly enhancing its tensile properties and prolonging the service life of our high-pressure rubber hose even longer, making its service life even. This also depends on our production equipment and high-precision production equipment, because our factory deeply understands that.
The higher the accuracy of the equipment, the more stable our quality will be.
every step of the process?
We have standards for each one.
We rely on high precision management. It is all down to our refined management. Oh, look at your face.
Your face and hands are so fair.
Right?
What?
Your face is not as fair as your hands.
My face is fair?
Yes.
Because your whole body is fair.
My whole body is fair.
Only my face is not fair.
You must have done a full body whitening.
Skin smoothing.
Welcome to those who are still. Welcome to those who are still staying, dear friends.
Welcome. Oh, I'm sleepy now.
It's time to feel sleepy again.
One more time.
No matter you are business owners in charge of procurement or in charge of engineering machinery, if you are looking for high-quality hydraulic hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to join the host in the live stream.
Stand up if you get sleepy.
All right.
Let's.
Today. At 6 o'clock.
How do we know if the traffic is good?
So many people have joined.
How come? From China?
Someone said hi.
But no one responded. I have no idea.
Hello, Wendell.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. Hold on a second. I can't hang up. Please tell him for me. Assign him to do other tasks. Okay.
Hello, welcome. Welcome to all the family members who are still lingering outside the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who are still staying in the live stream. I'm currently at a high-pressure rubber hose and hydraulic oil hose manufacturer located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil hoses. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil hoses. If you're also looking for high-quality high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to join my live stream. And be sure to join my live stream. I just told you. We implement high precision and high refinement management. We not only have manual inspection, but also rely on high precision production equipment. As we well know, the higher the equipment accuracy, the more stable our quality. And the more stable our product quality. Besides, in our factory, we not only rely on artificial touch, but also on our high precision equipment. We rely on the accuracy of our equipment and our factory standards. We rely on the standards of our factory. Only in this way.
Can we ensure that every batch of high-pressure rubber hose leaving the factory
Has more stable quality and more stable performance. Only in this way. Can we retain our large domestic and overseas customers, ensuring long-term and large repeat purchases, so that we can meet the requirements of large working conditions and allow them to use our products stably for a long time?
Only in this way can they use our products.
Just now,
I have told you.
about our quality control. Here, I will tell you about the strength of our factory. The strength of our factory. Up to now, while other companies and some of our competitors are still looking for outsourcing manufacturers. Our factory has already implemented independent research and development and independent production, independent research and development and independent production. And our factory has a full set of laboratory equipment, whether it is the inspection of raw materials or the inspection in the production process, including the inspection of our finished products. We have a full set of experimental equipment and experimental testing equipment. This is also the gap between our powerful large factories and small workshops. The gap between large factories and small workshops. If everyone in the live stream wants to come to the scene, if you want to come to the scene to observe or to see the strength of our factory, you are welcome.
You can also type it on the public screen. You can also type it on the public screen. Or you can also directly contact us. Or you can directly contact us through the little windmill on our live stream. Our factory has a full set of laboratory equipment. Previously, during the live broadcast, we showed everyone on site some experimental data. At that time, we observed a pulse experiment. The pulse This also factually proves that one of our factories' rubber hose qualities, the qualities of our rubber hoses. It is precisely because we have our own R&D team and our own mixed rubber and our own internal mixing center that we can control the parameters of rubber quality from the source and ensure the stability of our quality. If there is a technical deviation, we can solve this problem in the first time and in the shortest time. This is also something that all factories that rely on long-term external procurement of mixed rubber cannot achieve. They just can't make it. This is also our factories' ability to be long-term stable and reliable, to achieve stable quality, to achieve our quality stability, upholding our international standards. And we have already far exceeded the international standards. This is why we have been able to establish a 15-year-old factory. Why we have been able to become a 15-year-old factory. Why our products are able to achieve long-term and large-scale repeat purchases from major domestic and international clients. Owing to our factory scale, stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service.
Which one?
Shanxi.
All right.
Welcome to all the family members who just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who just joined us. I am currently at a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. We are Handan Sinopulse Rubber Hose Co., Ltd. Our factory covers a total area of over 100 mu, and our total construction workshop area has reached over 100,000 square meters. And our factory currently has a daily output of 80,000 meters. 80,000 meters. All our long-term clients know that. We never delay large orders and never treat small orders perfunctorily. Our delivery time is super stable. Moreover, our factory has a superior geographical location, being close to the main expressway. The national logistics delivery is fast, and the delivery time is super stable. These are all advantages of our factory. If everyone in the live stream is also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host live stream. You can type any questions on the public screen. And the host will answer them one by one. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. We are not a newly opened small factory, let alone an OEM intermediary. Our factory is a large integrated factory and trading enterprise with a whole process integration. A large integrated one. We don't have any middlemen. No middlemen at all. For the same quality of this high-pressure rubber hose, our price is more affordable. Our factory's price is more affordable. Our factory never relies on low-price competition. I tell you, we never rely on low-price competition. What we rely on is stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. Stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service. So if you are still looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. And the host will take everyone to visit our factory in depth at the same time every day. You can learn about the scale of our factory, see how we control the quality, and how we control it. For all the family members still lingering outside the live stream, all the family members who are still watching from the outside,
If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, you might as well join the host's live stream. And let's talk about rubber hoses together. If you have any questions about our factory, you can type them on the public screen. Just type them on the public screen. Our live stream today will be over in 20 minutes. It's coming to an end. Why? Why our factory can handle exports and serve large clients both domestically and internationally is because of our stable quality and reliable delivery time. We also rely on our strong qualifications and authoritative certifications. Now, let me talk about some of our factory's authoritative qualifications. Some authoritative qualifications. Our factory is not a newly opened small business. And now we will talk about some of the authoritative qualifications of our factory. All the qualifications that the host has in hand now can be checked on the internet, and they can all be checked online. Why can we consistently connect with large clients both domestically and internationally? Being able to connect with these large foreign clients relies on our authoritative qualifications. First, we are not a newly established small business, nor are we an OEM intermediary. We are a legitimate high-tech enterprise, a real high-tech enterprise. This is not a qualification that some random small workshops can obtain. It's not a certificate that just any small workshop can get. Our factory is a real high-tech enterprise, which is certified as such. Hebei Province's specialized and innovative small and medium-sized enterprise. This is also a core qualification of our factory. Which also proves that our factory is not a small enterprise. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the industry of high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years since 2011. For 15 years, and this is also an authoritative qualification of ours. An authoritative qualification. This is our ISO 9001 of our factory. Let me zoom in for you to take a look. Andan City Sinuo Rubber Roller Co. Ltd. Our Quality Management System Certification Certificate. The ISO 9001 Quality System Certification Certificate. Everyone in the industry should know that our certificate is reviewed every year. After our auditors arrive, they will check all the standards of this certificate. They will verify each standard and conduct audits. Only after passing the audit can one continue to hold this certificate. If you don't follow, if a factory doesn't produce and manage according to the ISO 9001 quality management standard, its certificate will not be approved. Why can we hold this certificate every year? It relies on our standardized management, our high standard management, and refined management. This also certifies the strength of our factory. On the one hand, it showcases our management level, and on the other hand, it reflects our production level and the level of production quality.
Okay.
The certificate in the host's hand is our MetaSafe certification. MetaSafe certification. Our factory is not only certified to these standards, but also for each of our models, each specification, we have applied for a MetSafe certification, which is a certification by MetSafe. This also shows that our factory's products can be used in the coal mining industry. With this certificate. It also confirms the level of our factory and the quality level. All the authoritative qualifications that the host just obtained can be checked on the internet. All of them can be checked online. This allows us to connect to large-scale projects both domestically and internationally, and be selected by large state-owned enterprises for long-term cooperation. We rely on these solid qualifications. Many small manufacturers don't have any qualifications. Their products don't meet the standards, and the equipment will have problems after a few days of use. and after-sales service cannot be guaranteed. Our company, Sinapo, all products are traceable
and have standards to follow
with guaranteed quality. All products are of guaranteed quality, whether it's domestic projects or foreign exports. We rely on our factory's qualifications. Our products, which fully meet the standards, they all fully meet the standards because our factory is not a small factory. We are a core major factory with 15 years of in-depth cultivation in the industry. All of these products, we have a basis and standards to follow, and the quality is guaranteed. The quality is guaranteed. Our factory has a history of 15 years. Both domestic and international clients place large orders repeatedly and choose us for the long term. This is our core bottom line. This is our core bottom line. Moreover, we not only serve the domestic market until now, our products have been exported to more than 60 countries. We have a full set of export qualifications and capacities. Our factory features integrated whole process management, being a large-scale enterprise that combines both manufacturing and trading. Such a big one.
Where?
2 people came up. They just started their employment procedures today. Didn't you say you only needed 3 new people?
Yes.
I know. I know. I know there's someone called, not 2. 2, that one is called, I know. That ...
God, I've called them before.
We just talked about it.
What's gong fancing called?
Gong!
What's it called again?
Gong heng heng.
Open the door.
Who are you? Gong heng heng.
Now let me tell you, our factory not only serves domestic clients, but up to now, our products have been exported to over 60 countries around the world, covering countries all over the world, more than 60 in total. The reason why we can maintain long-term repeated purchases with foreign clients is that we have built our reputation through our work. Of course, domestic clients also value the strength of our factory, including the stability of our quality, to ensure that we can cooperate for a longer time. This leads to long-term and large volume repurchases. We not only undertake domestic market, but also foreign customers recognize the quality of our factory. It has also been recognized by a large number of foreign customers. Big foreign customers recognition. Finally, let me summarize. Handan Snowpeak Teaching Instrument Co. Ltd. I'll give you a summary of our factories for irreplaceable advantages. The first one is that we are a truly major source factory. A truly major source factory. We don't have any middlemen, and we don't have any middlemen either for products of the same quality. Our factory offers more reasonable prices because we are a major factory that integrates industry and trade, producing and selling our products ourselves. We don't have any middlemen. For high-pressure rubber hoses of the same quality, our prices are more reasonable. This is our first irreplaceable advantage. We don't have any middlemen. Second, our factory has new equipment and sufficient production capacity. Our factory, the old workshop of Phase 1, although it has been in existence for 15 years, it is already an old factory with 15 years of history. However, in our old workshop of Phase 1, the production equipment inside is the same as that of our new workshop of Phase 2. Similarly, in 2024, the production equipment in our factory has been upgraded iteratively. All the old equipment has been phased out. Meanwhile, the replacements are all from the top equipment manufacturers in our industry. Directly sourced high-precision production equipment, only when the precision of these equipment is higher. Can the quality of the high-pressure rubber hoses we produce be more stable? The quality of our high-pressure rubber hoses will be more stable. This is also our second irreplaceable advantage. An irreplaceable advantage. Our equipment is new and we have sufficient production capacity. After the completion and put into use of our new plant in phase 2, up to now, our daily output has reached 80,000 meters. We have now solved the delivery issue. So all large orders, urgent orders, and customized orders can be accepted by us. All of them can be handled. This is also our second irreplaceable advantage. Our second major irreplaceable advantage. Third, our quality standards are high, very high, in every production process. We have quality inspections at every step. Every step. We have always been adhering to the international quality. The international quality. Our products are stable in performance and durable. They are built to last long. Plus, with our production equipment, our products have already exceeded the international standards. This is also achieved by our high precision equipment to control our quality. Only in this way can our quality be more stable. More stable in quality. Each of our processes has quality inspection. Each and every step has quality inspection. Each of our processes has standards to follow, and there's evidence to check. It is well documented, and all the records are verifiable. This is also our third irreplaceable advantage. The third irreplaceable advantage. Why is our product able to achieve? Is the support of our high precision equipment. These high precision production equipment are under control. Fourth is our after sales service rights. The after sales service rights. All of our products come with a 2-year warranty. All have a 2-year warranty. And we have a professional after sales team, including our professional sales team, who can provide you with one-on-one quotes, one-on-one product explanations, and we also have our professional technical team to support your special shaped joints, special shaped rubber hoses, and we will provide one-on-one customization services for you, which can be adapted to all your working condition requirements. It can be adapted to all your working condition requirements. This is also an irreplaceable advantage of our factory's after-sales service. Some small workshops can only produce some rubber rollers that meet industry standards and cannot provide one-on-one customization services. And their equipment has low precision, and they don't have a professional technical team. So for some rubber rollers, such as special-shaped rubber rollers and special-shaped joints, they cannot provide one-on-one customization services. This is the gap between our factory and some small workshops. This is the gap between our factory and small workshops as well. So here, if you are looking for a reliable, stable, and high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses with stable glue delivery and stable service, you must follow this live stream. Please hit the follow button. Many business owners who are engaged in engineering and parts production are most afraid of unexpected problems. I believe that by choosing Sinup, what you value is reliability, stability, and peace of mind. Choosing Sinup, you're choosing the most reliable partner. Sinup is the most reliable. All right, that's all for today's live broadcast. We're about to wrap up. How long has it been? 21 minutes. How much time is left? 1 hour and 40 minutes. We still have 15 minutes for a Q&A session. We still have 15 minutes.
You can type all your adaptation requirements in the chat. Feel free to type them in the chat. I will explain them one by one to everyone.
And I will provide a detailed introduction for each. I am currently located in the Fuxiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes located in the Fuxiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. Let me briefly explain. Our factory not only undertakes the production of high-pressure rubber hoses for regular brands, but also all suction and discharge hoses, industrial hoses, which our factory has already been capable of producing. Up to now, all our special-shaped rubber hoses, special-shaped joints, can all be undertaken by us. Our factory can undertake all of them. We have 10 minutes left. For those of you who are still lingering outside the live room, For all of you still hesitating to enter the live room, the last 15 days, the last quarter of an hour, 10 minutes left in total. 10 minutes left. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream. Everyone, if you also want to find reliable and stable high pressure rubber hoses, as well as reliable, stable quality, stable delivery time, and stable after-sales service from the original manufacturer. Or if you want to visit our factory on site, that's also possible. You are welcome to come to the host's live stream at any time. Our entire live broadcast today aims to give everyone an in-depth understanding of our factory, to provide a deeper understanding of it. You can see the strength of our factory and our capabilities, as well as our quality. You can see the quality of our factory's products and understand why our factory has been able to develop into a large one with a history of 15 years, and why our quality can be exported to more than 60 countries around the world. It relies on our stable quality, on-time delivery, and reliable after-sales service. Stable after-sales service. We have only the last 10 minutes left. Only 10 minutes left. If you have any questions, please feel free to type them on the public screen. You can type any questions on the public screen. I am currently standing in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone, Handan City, Hebei Province. This is a source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes in the Feixiang Economic Development Zone. If you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream and join us. In today's live presentation, we're coming to the end of our session. Our factory has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. For 15 years, we never compete by simply undercutting prices. From the establishment of our factory to now, we have never competed by solely low prices. We only focus on stable quality and reliable delivery times and after-sales service. We rely solely on these three aspects. We have focused on the research and development of high-pressure rubber hoses for 15 years. Our only goal is to provide all engineering bosses and purchasing staff with more reliable, stable, and worry-free, high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses that don't cause any problems. We aim to assist all those in purchasing by offering more reliable and stable, high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses. During our live stream today, throughout the entire live broadcast, for all of you who are joining us, if you have any needs, you can click on the host and the small windmill in the lower right corner. Click on the small windmill in the lower right corner. We support free sample delivery, and free sample parts delivery. We also support free sample catalog delivery. And if you have any adaptation needs, you can contact the host. And our live room backend has a professional technical team that can adapt to all your scene needs. It can adapt to all your scene needs. We can also provide one-on-one customization according to your needs. Such customized services are available. Today's live stream is coming to an end soon, with only 5 minutes left. Just 5 minutes left. Everyone, for those of you still lingering outside the live room, everyone who's still here, if you're also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, make sure to join the host's live stream. If you haven't already, let me check my phone. Let me see. Everyone, for those who are still lingering outside the live room, for all of you, if you are also looking for high-quality, high-pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live room. Be sure to come to the host's live room. If you have any demands for high-pressure rubber hoses in this regard, you can also contact the host. You can also contact the host. We have our own professional team. We have our own professional team and can provide you with one-on-one technical explanations, can provide one-on-one customized services, one-on-one customized services. Host, you will stop the live stream in the last few minutes. Here is a brief report for everyone. The basic information of our factory. Our factory is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handan City, Hebei Province. The Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, which is located in the Economic Development Zone, Feixiang District, Handan City, Hebei Province. Our factory is a large-scale factory that integrates industry and trade. We don't have any middlemen. Our factory doesn't have any middlemen either. Our factory. Besides, our daily output, up to now, has reached 80,000 meters. The daily output has reached 80,000 meters. Previously, some customers also feed back to the host that during the peak delivery season, there will be a phenomenon of long scheduling time and long queuing time.
In 2024,
The newly put into use new workshop, the new plant in the second phase. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. Welcome to all the family members who have just entered the live stream. The host is now at our source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. A source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses and hydraulic oil pipes. Up to now, after our new plant in the second phase was put into use in 2024. Up to now, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. The daily output can reach 80,000 meters. All large orders, urgent orders, and custom orders can be accepted by us. Now, all the regular customers we have cooperated with should know that our factory will not delay large orders and will not go through the motions for small orders. For all special orders, we can also provide one-on-one customization services. Our factory is a large-scale industrial and trading integrated enterprise with a whole process. And we have our own professional technical team, which can provide one-on-one customization for all of our working condition requirements. Achieve one-on-one customization. So all the bosses who are doing procurement, if you are also looking for the source factory of this high-quality, high-pressure rubber hose, you can follow this live stream of the host. Follow the host. And every day in the future, the host will be at the same time, from 3 o'clock to 5 p.m. We will have one-on-one exchanges. Yes, all the issues related to high-pressure rubber hoses. You can type them on the public screen, this live stream of the host. In the last few minutes, let me tell you about the strength of our factory and its scale and strength. Up to now, our daily output can reach 80,000 meters. And the daily output can reach 80,000 meters. And we not only undertake conventional brands of this high-pressure rubber hose, all these special-shaped rubber hoses and special-shaped joints, we can customize them. They can all be customized. Our factory not only produces high-pressure rubber hoses, but also the joints. We have our own joint workshop. We are a one-stop hydraulic factory. Well, it can greatly solve the problems of our purchasing bosses, save their time and costs, both time and costs. So here, in the last few minutes of the live broadcast, if you are also looking for a high-quality source factory of high-pressure rubber hoses, or if you are also thinking of visiting this factory or observing, you can contact the host or type in the public chat. The host will contact everyone after the live broadcast. We have only a few minutes left. You can type all your questions on the public screen. All questions can be typed on the public screen. Today's live stream. There are only 3 minutes left. You can type all your questions on the public screen. All the business owners and colleagues working in procurement should know that our high-pressure rubber hoses source factory is located in Hangshui Jingxian, where it can be found in almost every household. Every family has one, but many people don't know that. In Handan, Hebei, there is also an old factory that has been deeply engaged in the high-pressure rubber hose industry for 15 years. This is a 15-year-old factory. This is our Handan Snowpack Rubber Hose Co. Ltd. Our factory, all production equipment is directly from the industry's top equipment manufacturers. Unlike some small workshops, which are different from some small ones, the production equipment they use is some old equipment.
The production equipment in our factory
Are all directly from the industry's top equipment manufacturers. Directly from the equipment manufacturer. all for all the bosses in charge of procurement. If you are also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses, be sure to come to the host's live stream. Be sure to come to the host's live stream.
It takes a long time.
There are 2 minutes left.
Before the host ends the live stream.
2 minutes left before the host signs off. If you have any questions about our factory, feel free to type them in the chat. You can type them in the chat. To all the family members lingering outside the live room, if you're also looking for high quality, high pressure rubber hoses or want to learn about our factory, you can do that as well. Feel free to type them in the chat. You can come in and take a look. Come in and join us. We have the last 2 minutes, just 2 minutes left. Our factory has been established for 15 years, a 15-year-old factory. All of these high quality, high pressure rubber hoses are produced in our new plant in the second phase. Mass production is carried out in the new plant in the second phase. Mass production, up to now. Our factory has achieved a daily output of 80,000 meters, a daily production capacity of 80,000 meters. Our factory, up to now, has exported to more than 60 countries around the world. More than 60 countries. This is also relying on our genuine quality and a down-to-earth attitude. Won the recognition of a large number of foreign customers. Our reputation is built through actions. So, for all the colleagues in procurement, for all of you in procurement, when you purchase these high-pressure rubber hoses, you must understand that the factory, the product you purchase, the strength of its factory, including its qualifications, and its production equipment, the production equipment. Some business owners in procurement may not be familiar with it. If you're not familiar with it, the higher the precision of the production equipment, the more stable the quality will be. The product quality will be more stable, which is why our factory has been able to achieve 15 years of in-depth development in this industry. Why we have been able to do 15 years of in-depth cultivation in the industry. Rely on our stable quality, a stable delivery schedule, and stable after-sale service. Our factory produces not only high-pressure rubber hoses, but also all joint accessories, which can be adapted in our East factory. Our factory provides one-stop adaptation services. All these joint accessories, all of them, all these high-quality ones, our factory can definitely meet your fitting needs. Providing one-stop purchasing services, our factory offers one-stop purchasing. In today's live stream, we're coming to the end. If you haven't followed me yet, please feel free to hit the follow button. We'll meet again at the same time tomorrow, from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., and I'll be right here waiting for you. Looking forward to seeing you all again. That's all for today's live broadcast. We're going to wrap up soon. See you at the same time tomorrow. See you tomorrow at the same time. Bye-bye.